Today, I'll show you how to use Claude AI with Siri on iPhone. First, make sure you have the Claude app installed on your iPhone. Anthropic's official iOS help page says Claude supports app intents, shortcuts, and widgets on iPhone, and these features are available on iOS 18 and above. Once Claude is installed, you can use the built-in Ask Claude intent with Siri. According to Anthropic, Ask Claude works directly from Siri, Spotlight, the Share menu, and other apps that support iOS intents. One simple way to start is to say, "Hey Siri, ask Claude," and Siri will prompt you for your message. If you want a smoother workflow, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and create a custom shortcut using the Ask Claude action. Anthropic explains that you can add Ask Claude inside shortcuts, combine it with other actions, and build custom automations like summarizing text, sending notes, or processing content from other apps. After you create the shortcut, give it a simple name that Siri can understand clearly. Apple's Shortcuts Guide says Siri can run any shortcut in your collection just by saying its name. So once your shortcut is saved, you can launch Claude hands-free with a voice command anytime. For example, you could make a shortcut called Ask Claude Summary or Send to Claude. Then you just say the shortcut name to Siri, and your iPhone will run that workflow automatically. This is useful if you want to connect Claude to your daily routine without opening the app every time. Anthropic also notes that usage through Ask Claude and shortcuts still counts toward your normal Claude usage limits. And that's how to use Claude AI with Siri on iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.